Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, it is July the 3rd today, and yesterday and the day before we've been getting our cauliflower off and harvested here. Now, this one here was starting to try and bolt, so the flowers were trying to open up on it. So that one was taken off. This one here had a little bit of defects on it, so that was cut off. But these are the ones that we started from seed earlier this year, and we planted them then out into the garden. And this is just some of the harvest that we're getting off here. Now we are going to blanch this for freezing, because we store ours for longer than 3 to 4 months. So we go ahead and we blanch it, and then we put it in our seal meal bags, and we put it in the freezer so we have it to eat over the winter. We still do have a lot more cauliflower plants out there, and our cauliflower usually does give seconds, but we were considering possibly just starting another batch, so we have a fall cauliflower crop for the bigger heads, but haven't decided on that yet. So, we do use the pest barrier netting, and I'll have a link down in the description so you can check that out. And we do cover our cold season crops with that. It helps a lot for keeping the bugs and stuff off. Now, we did find on our cabbage, we're not exactly sure how it got on there, but somehow we did get some aphids on there, but with the smallest some of the aphids are, I'm thinking they went through the netting. But we are working to deal with that and take care of it, because even though you have your netting on, you do still want to check your stuff as it's growing, make sure that everything's growing the way that it's supposed to. And some of the violent storms that we had, it pulled some of the netting up, so that allowed for some bugs to potentially get in under the netting. So you want to harvest your cauliflower in the early morning before the heat of the day gets to it. And after we harvest it, if we can't process it up right away with getting it washed and blanched, we do keep it in the refrigerator so that it doesn't go bad for us. So I do quite a bit of videos on my channel for how to harvest cauliflower, for how to start it from seed, and for how to grow it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button notifies I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.